AI has transformed the landscape of the entertainment industry, revolutionizing content creation, personalization, and audience engagement. With advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, AI is reshaping the way we consume and interact with entertainment. One prominent application of AI in entertainment is content recommendation systems. By analyzing user preferences, viewing habits, and demographic data, AI algorithms can curate personalized recommendations for movies, TV shows, music, and other forms of media. This enhances the user experience by providing tailored content suggestions and increasing engagement. AI also plays a significant role in content creation and production. From scriptwriting to video editing, AI-powered tools assist in various aspects of the creative process. Natural language processing algorithms can generate storylines and dialogue, while computer vision techniques aid in video editing, special effects, and post-production tasks. This accelerates the content creation process and opens up new possibilities for storytelling. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, experiences have been enhanced by AI as well. AI algorithms can generate realistic virtual environments, simulate natural movements, and create interactive elements within VR/AR experiences. This adds depth and immersion to entertainment content, enabling users to engage with virtual worlds in unprecedented ways. AI has also contributed to the advancement of live event experiences. Real-time analytics and predictive modeling enable event organizers to optimize ticket pricing, seating arrangements, and crowd management. AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants provide instant customer support and enhance the overall event experience. In the realm of gaming, AI has made significant strides. AI-driven algorithms enable more realistic and intelligent non-player characters, NPCs, enhance game physics and graphics, and provide adaptive gameplay experiences. AI-powered procedural generation techniques can create vast and dynamic game worlds, ensuring unique and engaging gameplay for players. The convergence of AI and entertainment is an exciting frontier that holds vast potential. In our upcoming videos, we will explore specific applications of AI in entertainment, including AI-generated music, AI-assisted filmmaking, virtual influencer technologies, and AI-driven interactive storytelling. Join us as we dive deeper into the future of AI in entertainment.